Good afternoon, community members. Ludo here. I thought we'd do things a little bit differently this time and announce the upcoming workshop via this way. So just over 2.5 hours to go until the start of our one-off free play workshop with Helen Osmond, looking through the online tutoring platform BitPaper. I know many of you signed up already, and you can do so if you haven't in the events tab on the left-hand side, or also in the courses tab. We've made it an event and a course so that we can follow up with you afterwards. It's going to be a really interactive session, only an hour long. We hope to be done by 8:15, but if there is more interest and questions and exploration, then we're very happy to carry on. But yes, it'll be myself and Helen and Julia there greeting you at 7:15, and really it's for beginners, experts, veterans, anyone, because the live collaborative environment will mean that expertise can be shared amongst all. So we'll be starting off with an introduction by Helen to BitPaper and what it can do for you as a tutor, and how she's found it so useful in her tutoring, followed by breakout room discussions where you can explore the platform yourself and come up with your own fun lesson plans and see. And we also have a final task for you to see if you can find a certain feature on BitPaper that only the best tutors can find. So a little challenge for you to finish. And then we'll come back all together and we'll feedback what we learned and any final questions. So a short, sharp session, and you can really explore BitPaper, and hopefully it will give you the tools to be able to start using BitPaper with your tutors, with your students from tomorrow. So we had a session like this on Bramble a couple of weeks ago, and today we'll be looking at BitPaper, and we will be looking at other online tutoring platforms in the weeks to come as part of these one-off series that can really aid your online tutoring. So we'll see you there for a 7:15 start tonight. Any questions, do message myself, Julia, or Helen Osmond on the community, and we're really, really looking forward to it. Don't miss out.